Energetic, dramatic tone. Picture this, a dark, endless space. Intense music swells as Earth slowly zooms into view. Intriguing tone. Imagine this. One day, a black hole the size of a penny appears on Earth. It's a seemingly innocuous object, but its presence is anything but ordinary. At first, nothing seems wrong. The world continues to spin, people go about their daily lives, and nature remains undisturbed. But within hours, the entire planet is doomed. The ground starts to shake, cities fall into chaos, and natural disasters strike with unprecedented force. A black hole may be tiny in size, but its mass and gravity are absolutely insane. Its gravitational pull distorts space-time itself, creating a cosmic nightmare. Even a penny-sized black hole could weigh as much as the entire Earth. That means unstoppable destruction. The immense gravitational force would pull everything into it, leaving nothing behind but a void. First, it would sink straight to the Earth's core, unstoppable, swallowing everything in its path. As it feeds, it gets denser, stronger, and deadlier. The surface would begin to crack, oceans would boil, and within minutes, gravity would spiral out of control. Tectonic plates would shatter into countless fragments. Cities? Obliterated in an instant. The atmosphere? Ripped away, leaving nothing but a barren wasteland. The Earth would be crushed into an ultra-dense ball of matter, no bigger than a marble, compacted beyond recognition. And the worst part? There's no escape from this cosmic nightmare. Not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can outrun it. Earth would cease to exist, swallowed by the void. But would it stop there? Not likely. The journey of a black hole is far from simple. The black hole would drift through space, swallowing everything in its path, from stars to entire solar systems. It would continue to grow larger and more powerful until it either evaporated over eons or kept growing into something much, much worse. So, let's just hope no rogue scientist accidentally creates one in a lab, because the consequences could be catastrophic for our universe. Want to dive deeper into cosmic mysteries? Hit that like and subscribe button and let's explore the universe together. Would you survive a black hole? Drop a black hole emoji in the comments. Black hole / space / science / astronomy. What if / cosmic horror?